Very cool. What can I get for you?
Hey, I'd like a medium size of each one of the summer blizzards.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I want one of every summer blizzard in a medium. So all 6 of them.
Alright, I'll just hold it for you at the window.
Alright.
So I got a 4-piece honey barbecue with honey mustard. Was there anything else?
Yeah, I got all of the 6 summer blizzards.
6 of what?
The summer blizzards. One of each. One of each.
What size?
Medium. Alright, you can have it all.
36,
Alright, here you go. Alright, we just got all 6 of these summer blizzards. They didn't write anywhere on there which ones they are, so we're just gonna have to guess based on what's on the receipt. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one first. That's good. What is this one?
I don't know what's in it, man. What you tasting?
I tasted some peanuts.
That could be the drumstick one.
Yeah, I'm thinking that might be what it is.
The drumstick they got, man.
Unless if it's animal cracker.
No, animal cracker was the pink one. Animal ones are pink.
It kind of tastes like peanut butter a bit. I actually kind of like this one quite a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna guess this is the drumstick. Let me give one more bite. Yeah, that's what it looks like because it's got those chocolate chunks and stuff.
Yeah, there.
Alright. That's what I'm guessing. This is really good.
What is that one? What is
I don't
that?
know, it looks like it's got fudge on it. I'm gonna guess the brownie batter. Yeah, it's really brown. Oh yeah. No question, it's the brownie batter. Alright, I'm gonna give one more bite here. Yeah, for sure. I got a brownie in there.
Hey, yeah.
I think so far that's the best one.
Right? That's the one I was hyped to try. Oh, man.
Which one is this? You said this
Animal.
is the animal?
Yeah,
Alright,
it should be animal or bubble gum, like the 3rd fruity flavor they had.
This is animal cracker, sure. I tasted some animal crackers in there. You can tell what an animal cracker tastes like. Yeah, I can taste that. It kind of also tastes like bubble gum too as well though. It's kind of weird. Alright. Then I'm gonna assume this is the bubble gum. This kind of has like a taste of like Pop Rocks. Dude, I'm being serious. It's fucking weird. I think it's bubble gum, but it has that Pop Rock taste to it a bit.
The mint, thin mint.
Yeah, you can tell because it's green.
You hope everybody know what mint tastes like.
Girl Scout cookie, dude. It tastes exactly like those Thin Mint Girl Scout cookies to a T.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Wow,
I think that's. I'll probably put that one in 2nd place so far.
mint?
Yeah,
Mint?
Thin Mint.
I don't know, man. I feel like
Or no, 3rd place. I feel like the first one I had was better.
that's the raspberry brownie fudge thingamabobber, right?
Dude, yeah. This tastes amazing.
Yeah. DQ bussin'.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to swear there, but this is super good.
That one bussin'. Hell yeah. And I just got me a misty slush. Can't go wrong with a slushy.
Yeah, there's like marshmallows in it or something. Dude. So
Yeah,
far,
I know I'm taking some of this one though. Hold up.
hold on. I'm gonna do my. So far, I'm gonna put the brownie in first place. That one goes in second place, the one I just tried. Then third place would have to be that, and fourth place is that. I don't know which one I like better of these two yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out later.
What is this? What was this one?
I think that one's bubble gum, but I can't tell.
What the fuck?
That's what I'm saying. Doesn't it kind of taste like you get a Pop Rock taste a little bit?
Yeah, like candy rocks or some in here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I mean, it's
Fucking
not
good.
bad, but
Dude, yeah.
what the hell?
What do we got on here?
Who that?
Yeah, that's decent.
This is that
I don't
animal.
Oh, that one's cotton candy. You
That makes sense, sugar.
you said bubble gum, so I'm trying it. Like was the one I got close enough to bubble gum.
It
Yeah.
was like sugar.
Yeah, that one's definitely cotton candy, I feel like.
You said this was what?
I forgot.
Oh, it had like color bits in it. Hold up.
Yeah, that one's kind of weird. You don't like it?
That's an animal cookie for sure.
Oh yeah, that's what it was.
I don't do animal cookies. Too
Yeah.
much frosting. But
Yeah.
you said fudge? You said
No.
fudge and like raspberry, man, and marshmallows? And this one, right?
I don't know if it has fudge in it. It has.
I mean, what are
Some
these
sort
chocolate bits?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna assume.
Cause like,
Dude, yeah, that one to me was bomb.
alright, fuck it. I don't even like raspberries, so this is gonna be
That's what it has in it? Oh, raspberries?
raspberries. I believe it said marshmallows.
Yeah, I tasted a marshmallow in there. I thought you said cranberries for a second, which really confused me because I'm like, I do not like cranberries.
I don't even want to try the Thin Man really. Here, actually,
Yeah, you could just take a little sip of that.
it's mint ice cream.
Yeah, that's what it tastes exactly like the Girl Scout Thin Mint
And
cookies.
this is
That was the first one I tried. I forgot what it's called.
drumstick.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Dude, yeah, that's
Looks
good.
like a Reese's cup.
Dude, I was saying that one's good. That's the one I gave second
This
place. Or no, third place. Cause
Stop.
yeah.
This is so far my number one. All of them. One.
What did you say this one was again?
The raspberry fudge and
Yeah.
marshmallow.
Where would you put that one?
I'd say it's second right now compared to these. This mint.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That one was really good, but I feel like it don't deserve first place yet. If you like fudge brownie, I feel like you're gonna love that.
I mean, who don't like brownie? Be
Yeah,
real.
that's true.
Mm.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. it's
If
freaking.
God was the ice cream, he just nutted in my mouth. Like, let me tell you, this sucker is busting.
Dude, that's what I'm saying.
Mm.
It's super
can-
good. It's like straight freaking fudge brownie.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I'm sorry, but that's the
Bullshit.
one I'm taking.
Oh, no!
Alright. What's your rankings?
Ranking 100
Alright.
100 million. I'm gonna tell you that right now. 100 million.
Okay. What'd you
Get that if you're going DQ every time.
Yeah.
This one, it'll be a good second. It's
Alright.
drumstick. I love me some peanut butter Reese's cups. So if
For
you like
sure.
Reese's cups, this one's your move.
Yeah.
Worst, the animal frosting.
Yeah, I felt
grossness.
I couldn't tell if I would put that as a 5 or a 6, but those two are definitely the least.
Yeah.
They kind of reminded me of
I mean,
if you ever tried the Sour Patch Kids one, it kind of reminded me of that, which was a decent one, but it's like definitely you can't get that one in the winter and try it and love it. Definitely a summer drink.
I might have to put the cotton candy at third.
Dang, that's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one of my least favorites.
Nah. That's sweet. Like if you get one of the rocks and like the crystal, the purple thing on the bottom there, That's like cotton candy, like that they just threw in there. It looks like. I mean, it just
Yeah, it's
grows.
like crispy though.
Yeah,
That's
but
what
like
I'm
if
saying,
it
it
just melts
kinda-
in your mouth, just let it melt. I don't bite it. Don't bite it.
All right.
Let
I'm
it
gonna
out.
I'm gonna try that. Have to try that one again. All right.
Third, fourth, and
Yeah.
it's just mint ice cream. You know,
All
the
right.
casual. It's the basic. I'll give it actually. This one will actually be third. This can go to fourth. I don't like raspberry.
That's what I'm saying. I think I put that one. No, that one was like fourth or something for me. Yeah, I respect that.
They're
We
good.
had, we had very similar rankings.
Not bad. Not
Here,
bad.
I want to try that cotton candy one more time. Let me get one more. Rid of that. The taste.
Dude, if
Nobody
you get
wanna
like
hear
them
this.
crystal things or whatever it is, and just let it sit there and just break apart. You taste like the pink cotton candy or
Dude,
the
I for
purple
sure-
cotton candy.
I feel like this was better on the second taste. All right, let me try
Oh,
this.
fact! Like, people be liking on some cotton candy.
This does taste like straight up cotton candy.
Yo!
Dude,
I like
yeah,
that.
that might be a fourth place again. Do I like that? Alright, yeah. 'Cause, like, I'm actually a pretty big fan of like the Girl Scouts Thin Mints, so I feel like this one is probably the fourth or fifth. We'll see if I think that one's better or not yet. The cotton candy. It is really good. That tastes just like the Girl Scouts one. I can't even lie. Like, alright, I'm gonna try this one last time.
Disgusting.
Yeah,
Disgusting.
the animal crackers. We're gonna see which one I think is the worst out of that. Yeah. I don't think it's bad, I just don't think it's that great. This one is definitely my least favorite. The cotton candy one's way better. Alright,
One for cotton candy, 0 for animal crackers.
Alright, yeah, so like I said, the animal cracker one is definitely my least favorite. This one I'm gonna have to put in fifth, even though it did really grow on me. It's super freaking good. I like it. And yeah, I think I like the Thin Mint one better now. Then the first three I tried, I'm sticking with the ranking for that. So yeah, that's what I thought about the Dairy Queen Blizzard. So until next time, bye.